How to fix live access is needed to go to live as a TikTok guest. Hey everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will solve an error if you encounter the error saying that live access is needed to go to live as a guest on your TikTok. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. It usually means that you're trying to join a live stream as a guest, but you don't meet the required criteria for accessing TikTok's live feature. So here is how you can fix it. First of all, you have to ensure that you have the live access. So for that, make sure you have the account which has at least 1,000 followers, and on next to that, you must be at least 18 year or older for the age requirement. And if you are eligible but still can't join someone's TikTok live as a guest, so what you have to do is you have to contact to the TikTok support. So in order to do that, tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. And once on your profile page, tap on the three line icon from the top left corner. From here, tap on settings and privacy. Here, scroll down and under support and about, now you have to report a problem. So tap on report a problem. Here you will have in search bar at the top, tap on it, and then you can simply search for your issue. You can see that can't go live as a guest, so tap on it. Here you can tap on any one of the results right here, and here it says is your problem resolved, then simply tap on no, then tap on need more help. That will redirect you to TikTok help text, and there you will have a send message option. Now you can directly text a message to TikTok help text. You can say that I can't join someone's live as a guest, so help me with that, and send your problem to TikTok help desk, and TikTok help desk will reply you back with the solution. Follow the instructions as given, and then your problem will be solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.